I'm Wilhelm or Will Bielert, as you wish. I'm working for Primatech in Quebec, Canada. I'm Senior Vice President and Chief Digital Officer. Most of the companies lack process maturity, so KYP really helps to understand the current status, to understand the real situation. The alternative is to work with whiteboards or white paper, which is very difficult if you have a lot of different sites. And KYP really helps to get, first of all, transparency on the real situation with processes. Yeah, the advantage is that if you're an international company like we, you operate in a lot of different countries. What's the alternative using KYP? You can send a team to each site in each country to try to establish what the team members in these different countries may think they execute in terms of processes, while KYP enables you to really collect the data automatically to have a complete picture how processes are executed in these different countries. So it really helps you from a centralized point of view to harmonize processes to really move to the next step of process maturity.